Hey guys, my name is Andrea. I'm a BMW genius here at Passport BMW, and today we're going to go over adjusting your safety features in a vehicle with iDrive 7. So the first thing you want to do is push this button right here with the green circle. You're going to get to this screen in front of you, and now you want to click Configure Individual. So this is where you have all of your safety features, and you can adjust how early you receive the warning for whatever safety feature it is. So I always recommend setting the forward collision warning to medium. And then you can also adjust your side collision warning if your vehicle is equipped with it. You can turn it on or off. Your lane departure warning is going to vibrate your steering wheel if you get close to the lane markings on the left or right side. You can set that to early, medium, or reduced, and you can also turn it off. Now, steering intervention is actually going to pull you back into your lane if you're drifting out of the lines without your signal on. If you don't like that, you can turn that off, but still have the lane departure vibration still turned on. Your blind spot has early, medium, late, and off settings, and that's going to light up the triangles in your side view mirrors if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. You also have steering intervention for your blind spot as well, and that'll pull you back into your lane if something is in your blind spot and you're initiating a lane change. You can turn that off as well if you do not like it.